John Deaton said XRP has overtaken Bitcoin. XRP to $50,000. At the moment, it's safe to say that cryptocurrency has now become mainstream. Bitcoin, which used to exist only in a small part of the internet, is now one of the most popular investment assets. As the years passed, other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin came to the fore. A recent study shows how popular these altcoins are in places like South Korea. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. A study conducted by various leading cryptocurrency exchanges in South Korea has revealed cryptocurrencies in which residents mainly invest. This study published its findings based on the dollar value of digital assets owned by local residents. Bitcoin has obviously come out on top as the most popular cryptocurrency among South Korean investors. It was discovered that these investors own more than $5 billion worth of bitcoins for a total of 128,828 BTC. However, the shock here will be the cryptocurrency that took second place in the list. Ripple XRP took second place as locals reportedly own nearly $4.8 billion worth of XRP tokens. Altcoin surpassed the second largest digital asset Ethereum by about $300 million, with the value of ETH owned by investors worth about $4.5 billion. Ethereum's competitor, Cardano, took fourth place on this list with investors of about $1 billion. While the beloved Dogecoin meme coin took fifth place on the list with investors owning only Doge for about $900 million. The study was conducted on 4 leading exchanges in the region, namely Bitham, CoinOne, Upbeat, and Corbit. It was also discovered that in 2021 alone, investors sold cryptocurrencies worth more than $7 trillion, which means that cryptocurrency activity in the region was higher compared to the Korean stock market. It also surpassed the trading volume of the junior Kosdaq. The volume of bitcoins held by South Korean investors exceeded what they owned in Apple shares at $5.48 billion, but came out less than they had in Tesla shares, which currently make up an impressive $16.9 billion worth of shares. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, Brad Garlinghouse said that his company is already working as if it lost the fight with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. According to the executive, Ripple's record growth is happening outside the U.S., and it is hiring more and more people outside the U.S. According to Garlinghouse, the idea that XRP is an unregistered security is erroneous. However, the token has no liquidity in the U.S. after all exchanges suspended trading in early 2021. According to Brad Garlinghouse, 99% of Ripple's customers are payment companies outside the United States. Lawyer John Deaton, a lawyer representing more than 65,000 XRP holders, told in an interview with Linkto, a private investment company, why he decided to support the crypto project. According to Deaton's lawyer, Ripple turned out to be one of the most transparent existing cryptocurrency projects without any shady transactions. According to Deaton's lawyer, despite the fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission has been investigating the case against Ripple for more than 2 years, the authorities have so far failed to detect any fraudulent activities related to the project. For 30 months the SEC, have been looking at these guys, Ripple, and the individual defendants, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen. They studied them. Lawyer Deaton said, adding, "They even checked every transaction made by Garlinghouse and Larsen and every transaction made by Ripple between 2013 and 2020. 2.5 years later, they have not filed a single claim of fraud or misrepresentation on the part of Ripple." Deaton, who spoke out on a number of issues related to the SEC lawsuit, noted that he does not think that any other cryptocurrency project can come out flawless if the securities agency conducts an intensive investigation, as was the case with Ripple. Despite this, The SEC is not going to drop its accusation against Ripple and its executives for conducting an unregistered securities offering, as a result of which the company raised $1.3 billion. While the SEC is adamant that Xrp Ripple is a security, the blockchain company thinks otherwise and is ready to prove this fact in court. After recent events, an order was issued last week on a joint schedule, according to which the trial can be extended until next year. Interestingly, the development did not prevent XRP investors from supporting Ripple. They believe that the lawsuit will end in favor of the blockchain company, and the value of the digital currency will increase dramatically. The uncertainty of the cryptocurrency market is very often reflected in the assets that people choose to invest in, and XRP seems to have become a beacon of the same. Since last year, the cryptocurrency market has experienced not one or two, but 4 bullish phases. And XRP has failed to deliver sustained growth in all of them. XRP wins and loses. Regardless of the growth during the rally, the subsequent price drops nullified all the growth, and, consequently, today XRP has reached an even lower price than a year ago. Trading at $0.6644, the coin is moving further away from its historical maximum of $1.9, as well as from $1, which is considered a critical and psychological level, and not once since the beginning of 2022 has XRP actually even touched it. Now that it's the second quarter of the year, it looks like it might actually be a long time before the same thing happens. Many signals of favorable price movement come from investors themselves. Networks with active investors tend to grow more steadily, but unfortunately, this did not happen with XRP. Transaction statistics, which rose sharply in November and again in February, fell again to 1.2 million this month. This is due to the fact that the number of investors who actively participated has decreased. At the time of writing, less than 34,000 addresses were active on the network. And, to tell the truth, they are not to blame here either, since they do not have a special incentive to be active. The live XRP price today is $0.88 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.74 billion. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.